this is Andrew from Email Marketing NYC, and today I'll show you how to use product feed in Klaviyo. So first of all, we go to Klaviyo, log into Klaviyo, data feeds, and data feeds. On data feeds, there's two options. You have a web feed and product feed. Web feed, it's RSS SAS feed, so basically it pulls information from your blog, and you can add it to your emails. It's not very interesting, but the cool part is product feed. So when you create product feed, first of all, when you name it, you can use only. You're not allowed to use any spaces. So example video. Then you can either leave it as is, or you can pick specific category. For example, you want in this product feed to show only, let's say you sell t-shirts and you want to sell only red t-shirt. And let's say you have 10 different t-shirts, and why product feed is important, because let's say one product is sold out. Let's say 2 products are sold out. Let's say out of 10, you have only 8 left. It will show you, it will update that feed automatically and show to the next person who receives that email only 8 t-shirts versus 10 t-shirts. So let's leave it everything like, or let's do popular product first. Create product feed. We go to campaigns. We create new campaign. Let's call it XYZ video. Then we go to master. Let's say master. Let's do this one. Then save and continue to content. And let's say choose templates. Pick any kind of templates you want. Let's do this one. You probably have your own, but it's not as important for this video. And now where you have products, you drag and drop here, and now you need to select your feed. And this one, we just created one example video, save and preview. And now it pulls all information from the website. It's dynamic. Also, I highly recommend to use personalized. After a person for a long time in your Klaviyo account, and it syncs with your Shopify, Magento, or BigCommerce, or any other shopping platform, it has an algorithm to show them different products based on their behavior. And yeah, so this is product block. You can modify it here, like whatever you want to show. You can have maximum 9 products. Also, let's say if you don't want to use product feed, you can select specific products from the category. But if you select specific products, it will not be dynamic like in this case. In this case, it's dynamic. You save, and it will show you more products from the store. So this is how you use product feed in your Klaviyo account. Please let me know if you have any additional questions. Thank you.